like this fan. It is nice. You can turn on the light. It's bright. Turn it down. Or you can have it really, really bright. And then you can turn it off. And then the speed is 1, 2, 3, and 4. I can feel it. It's really cold. 5 and 6. And then you can reverse it. Let's see, turn it off. And then you reverse the fan the opposite way. Let's see. Nope. I guess it goes one way. I guess so.
You ready? You ready? Okay, watch. I did it. We did it. And look, got a controller. And look, you can change the color. Boop. And you can dim it. Or brighten it. Oh my gosh, look how bright. Or you can set different times. Dimming. I don't know what home does. I don't know what that does.